Hey gang, had a little oral surgery this week, so my cooking adventures aren't going to be that great. Got some stitches in here, can't really eat all that much special. Eating a lot of soups, and mac and cheese goes down easily. So what I think I'm going to do today is, upscale the mac and cheese a little bit. I might be a foodie, but I'm not a food snob. I enjoy a little Kraft mac and cheese, Taco Bell, McDonald's just as much as I love going to all the fabulous restaurants around Los Angeles. So let's see what I can do.
There really is a ton of things you can do with Kraft mac and cheese. I used to always put tuna in mine and do a poor man's tuna noodle casserole. If I wanted to make this special, I'd be doing some lobster and Cajun seasoning, but I can't eat that right now.
But first, here's Steve Nancy.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You need to be fed? You need to be fed? Huh? You need to be fed? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll feed you first.
While the water's boiling, we're going to shred up some cheese. This is my all-time favorite cheese. We always have at least 2 bricks of it in the house. This smoked cheddar by Old Crock. It's amazing. You know the old saying, a watched pot never boils, except if you film it. There's a reason that Kraft mac and cheese has been around since 1937 and sells roughly 1 million boxes a day. I mean, there's no arguing. It's good. I'm going to put the pan back on the stove and melt some butter. I'm going to add 2 big heaping spoonfuls of garlic. Adding in some shredded extra sharp cheddar.
That sour cream smells so good, guys. Smoked cheddar from Old Crock, my favorite. Love that sound.
That is some really good mac and cheese, guys. Back to 6. Hey, gang. I'm on camera. I'm on camera. Ready? Ready? No. Hey, gang. Had a little oral surgery this week, so my cooking